In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Brother HL-2460dw laser printer. This is the new ink toner and we are going to replace it with the old one. First step is to open the front chamber. So push it outside and then remove the ink toner. The complete unit will come out, and here you have to press this green lever. It will release the ink toner. Take the new ink toner and then place it here. Press it down, it will lock, and then install it here. To install it, the chip will face up, this side will go back, and the Brother will be facing up. Place it here, close it, and we are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.